Hello and welcome to Mel's Listening Library. Today we are going to be reading Don't Push the Button, an Easter Surprise, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Oh, hi there. I'm Larry and I'm so excited for Easter. Aren't you? I know what you're thinking, but we shouldn't push the button. Seriously, for real. I don't think the Easter Bunny is looking. Go ahead and push. Ugh! Where did these bunny ears come from? Try pushing the button 2 times. Eep! Now I have a bunny nose and whiskers. Quick, push the button 5 times. Ooh, we got 5 eggs. Tap each egg to add some color. Decorate the eggs with your fingertips to make them extra special. Beautiful. Now shake the book up and down to dry the paint. Oh no! All that shaking made the eggs go flying. Can you blow on the grass so we can find all of them? Almost. Just blow a little harder. There they are. Count the eggs as you slide each one into the basket. Make sure you get them all. Thanks, buddy. You helped make this the best Easter ever.